This is an exclusive first look at the amazing new Specialized Turbo. It's a brand new high-performance electric bike from one of the world's biggest bike manufacturers. Now, unlike most electric bikes, this is all about speed. You've got a 250 watt motor in the rear hub, and that's powered by a high-capacity lithium-ion battery that's integrated into the down tube here. Unlike most electric bikes that are limited to just 15 miles an hour, this will do nearly 30 miles an hour. You've got a 10-speed SRAM transmission operated by the thumb shifter here. You've got Magura disc brakes front and rear, and you've got a little interface here where you can switch the integrated lights on and off. The frame's made of aluminium, and for an electric bike it's actually really light. It's just 21.5 kilos, so that's about 46 pounds. It sounds like a lot, but with the power going through, you don't really notice it at all. As you push down on the pedals, you get a real surge of power. That'll take you up to 28 miles an hour with hardly any effort. And you can see how the acceleration is really quite impressive. Just accelerate back down this way. Start up on the pedals, give it some. You see how fast it picks up speed. I'm not really pedaling that hard at all. So there you go, that's an exclusive first look at the brand new Specialized Turbo. It's by far the quickest e-bike I've ever ridden.
Boosted is kind of changing the world of electric vehicles, but in an unconventional way. 50% of all trips that people take in cars are under 5 miles, and that's 25% of all commutes.
The Boosted board really we see as our first product. We really think that this powertrain can allow us to reimagine what a vehicle can be.
So we started with something that's already really efficient. And then you use really efficient motors and really efficient batteries, and you design the electronics and the software really well. Then you get basically the lightest electric vehicle that's ever been made. So the last mile of transportation is this huge problem that hasn't been solved yet. Once you get off of a public transit system, whether it's a bus or a train or anything else, how do you get along that last mile to your destination? So what Boosted Boards does is it gives you a really portable vehicle that you can use in conjunction with public transit.
A normal longboard weighs about 8 pounds, and on our prototype boards we've added only 4 pounds. And we have a 6-mile range and a 20-mile-an-hour top speed, and we can climb hills. A couple years ago that would have been completely unheard of. But with that we've added regenerative braking, so not only can you stop easily, but you recharge the battery when you do it.
Right now we have some awesome partnerships. We're working with one of the best longboarding companies in the world, Loaded. And the idea behind that was we want to start with really great stuff.
We felt that it was important to keep this accessible to many people. Longboarding is actually closer to snowboarding and to surfing. We're taking that niche market of longboarders and being able to expand it so that it's easier for people to learn.
One of our mentors is the former director of engineering at Tesla. Having those mentors is really key because the experience that they have in actually bringing something to market makes it way, way easier to avoid a lot of the mistakes that most hardware companies do when they're first starting out.
I'm really excited about the idea of good electric transportation. I don't think the world has seen how good it actually can be. Right now, we're trying to make the best electric longboard that has ever been invented.
This isn't an easy task. It's a hardware product. It's really expensive to make it. It's really expensive to get all the bugs worked out and develop on it. And so it's something that we're really passionate about, but we need more resources. So that's where Kickstarter comes in. If we can get people to back the project and we can get the resources behind us, then we can deliver something really awesome to them, and we can make a big impact in our community in the world of transportation.
Trike Tri-Bred Pony offers a new functionality that is unparalleled in the green transportation sector. Ergonomically designed, it is ridden in a comfortable, standing posture that does not stress the spine. There's no craning of the neck, no pressure to the groin, no saddle sores from this pony. It's more stable than any two-wheel vehicle due to its 3 points of contact with the pavement. This also allows for amazing maneuverability. Additionally, Trike's patented cambering system allows the vehicle to lean with the rider deeply into turns, while all 3 wheels remain in contact with the pavement. This makes the vehicle more stable at fast speeds. This cambering motion also allows you to assist the motor, adding speed with your own dynamic fluid motion. Your Tri-Bred pony also folds up quickly for easy transport or storage. Simply toss 1 or 2 in the back of your car to take with you on trips, or take with you on a bus or train to extend your travel or commute options, eliminating the need for a car. At 38 pounds, the pony is quite manageable, even when folded. All ponies come equipped with 2 speed settings, an econo mode setting of 12 miles per hour max, and an express mode setting of 18 miles per hour max. Power is supplied via a lithium-ion hot swappable battery. A full battery charge will take you between 12 and 22 miles, depending on the speed setting used, terrain, and rider. A full battery charge typically only costs about 7 cents. A robust front hub motor and custom motorcycle-grade front tire pull the rider forward with a simple twisting of the throttle. Dual rear disc brakes allow the rider to easily slow down or stop at will. Locking brake handles help for stationary parking. Above and beyond the pure functionality of the pony as an alternative transportation are the added benefits of a full-body, low-impact workout. And, you guessed it, fun. Of course, you can just stand there and use only your wrist muscle and maybe a little legs from standing and cornering. But add the carving motion into the act, and now you're basically getting a skier's workout. Plus, some core and upper body involvement, working all the major muscle groups as you ride. Either way, you're out enjoying the scenery and the fresh air, or are you multitasking? Get a nice workout as you run errands or head to and from work. Here at Trike, we all agree, our commute is the best part of the day. Most of us just wish our commute was a little bit longer.
what nobody shows, and you're about to see what nobody's seen, and I'm about to give what I've never given you before. And it feels so good, it feels so good. It feels so good, it feels so good, it feels so good. Are we going to do what's never been done? And are we going to meet the moon or the sun? I wonder if you do you understand? It feels so good, it feels so good.
To the surprise of many, it was a two-wheeler.
Wir denken über das Fahrzeug hinaus, wir denken in Richtung...
We think far beyond the car as such, with a focus on mobility in general, and we do this regularly in concept teams made up of special solutions. The gentlemen behind me have developed the e-bike, which can be folded up and stowed conveniently in the luggage compartment or on the spare wheel at the back, with no restriction of the capacity available. So itself. The e-bike is not just to be a concept disappearing into the museum after the Beijing show. On the contrary, VW plans to put this bike on the road. We have a special business case. So VW made it very clear that there are new options for mobility in future, not just good for the environment, but also fun to use.
This bicycle is built out of 95% recycled cardboard, which is the most cheapest raw materials you can find in any country. The rest of it is recycled car tires and recycled melted bottles. So it's 100% recycled materials, and the bill of materials for that is $9. And I know that the lifespan of a regular bike is maximum 5 years. So in 5 years, basically I can replace all of them, because I will be cheaper, faster, stronger, and ecological.